Hello and again welcome to our channel Bit Astro. So here is a Jee Mains question from the 2024 April attempt. So there is a Jee Mains question from the NLM, which is a very good and quite easy question. So we are going to solve this particular question. So in the question, it is saying that there is a two forces. Let's say the forces are F1 and F2. So there are two forces. Let's say the forces are F1 and the F2. Okay, so it is saying that the one force has the magnitude thrice at that of the other force. So let's put that F1 is equals to the 3 of the F2. And then it asking that the magnitude. Okay, so the resultant vector is what given as the magnitude of the larger force, which is the resultant vector is what equals to the F of. So the resultant vector is what equals to the f of 1. So the resultant vector is what equals to the f of 1. So here the resultant, so we have the very important formula for the resultant of the two forces. So f1 square, okay, f1 square is equals to, which is the resultant, is equals to the f1 square plus f2 square. Here is plus f2 square, f1 square plus f2 square here, and plus 2 into f into f1 into f2 into the cos theta. Okay, so after this what we have to do is that we have to put down the value of f1 as 3 f2 square, so 3 f2, which becomes 9 f2 square ultimately. So ultimately this particular equation become 9 f2 square. Okay, and it is equals to, then putting the value of f1, it again become f1 or f2 square by putting out the value, and plus it will become f2 square. And here we have to put down the value of f1, and it will become again the 6 f2 whole square and cos theta. Okay, so after this what we have to do is that we have to find, okay, so this and this will cut out again, and what we left is with the minus f2 square is what equals to the 6 of the f2 square cos theta. Okay, so this is the thing, and this f2 square and this f2 square will cut out, and this will become cos theta is what equals to the minus of the 1 upon 6. Okay, so theta can be written as the cos inverse of minus 1 by 6. Okay, so this is a negative term, so it's theta is equals to the cos inverse minus 1 by 6. So what we have to find is that we have to find out the value of this particular n. It means this particular n value is equals to the 6. So this is a very quick solution of this particular Jee Mains questions asked in the 2024 April attempt. So thank you for watching my